Hi everyone, my name is Devendri Angela. My matrix number is 21220514. Today I'm going to present my part. Now I'm going to explain about our company is Tailor Clothing Sdn Bhd. It's a new organization in Malaysia that started in 2022. This business sold clothing wholesale and supply it to distributor, retailers and designer of unique unisex clothing. Tailor Clothing Sdn Bhd is the name of the sector. The company is known for its affordably priced apparel. The capital to launch our business was Rm 10,000. And now I'm going to explain about the vision and mission of our company. Our company vision is to empowerment, innovate and design of deliver complete customers pressure. We also try to be good corporate citizen in our community. The mission of our company is to lead with innovation, improve and give customers throughout the world the greatest value in goods and service. Now I'm going to explain about the organization. Tailor Clothing Sdn Bhd employ 100% production team for the service. The frame as Rm 15,000 set aside specifically for the production team's monthly salaries. The management team consists of 50 employees. The human resources department has played a significant role in company's business, especially the staff from human resources. Thank you.
My name is Anis Nadira. To protect workers from being oppressed by employers, the Employment Act of 1955 was enacted and became the basic of the law. Our company implement the law because it is important to ensure that our company successfully achieve its goal. A lack of understanding of employment law can damage a business and can lead to lawsuit by employees and settlement payment. There are 6 important elements that related to work relation. So the first element, which is contract and service, it is an agreement in which a person agreed to employ another as an employee and the other person agreed to serve the employer as an employee. So how our company implement this element to our employees? In our contract paper, we have stipulated certain important terms and clauses such as working hours, scope of work of what they should do to while working in our company. For the second element, which is requirement of women, it is a law for female employees working in industrial or agricultural companies are not allowed to work from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. For our company, we operate from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. because we employ more female workers than male workers. Normal hours of work also one of the element in Employment Act. Regulate the hours employees can work according to certain days, weeks and years, and the term normal working hour which should be referred to the law. For our company, we have set all employees to work from 8 in the morning to 5 in the evening. Employees be paid more wages for overtime work. Our company applies the Employment Act to our employees to ensure that our company grows and employees do not work under pressure. Thank you.
Thank you, Anis. I, Aswan Bita Ansar, would like to discuss about other elements which are payment of wages, maternity coverage and leave. Payment of wages is the expenses from the firm to pay the employee to their according to their work. Tailor company stated that 7th day of month would be the payday. For maternity coverage is a medical insurance or the expenditures of labor, delivery and infant care. Our company gives 90 days to the employees of relaxing days, beginning 10 days before due of delivery and ending on the last confinement. Lastly, for leave is a day of rest granted to an employee who have contributed significant to the success of the organization. Workers who have been worked for more than 5 years will receive 16 days every year of annual leave. Aside from that, sick leave is time off taken from an employee due to medical issue. The leave should be accompanied with documentation such as medical certificate from a clinic or a hospital. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Ifan Zainal and today I want to talk about the Occupational Safety and Health Act of 1994. So in this Safety and Health Act of 1994, there are several safety policies, which is the first one is proclamation of the company's dedication to maintain a healthy and risk-free workplace. Next, who is accountable for safety in the organization and why this responsibility rests with each employee at every level. And next, describe any existing structure or process for promoting safe working conditions. So the next point is, all workers must be safely trained. More training, including regular programs, is needed for risky jobs. For safety reasons, people in some occupations may not be permitted to start work unless they are properly trained. For example, the high-risk job such as the electrical maintenance, we did not permit everybody to go start working unless they were well trained. So for the next point, safety and health living camps follow. Safety and health campaigns are popular ways to remind staff. Annual campaigns usually last a month. Last but not least, selecting professionals to handle health and safety issues is a must. It is to keeping records and doing analysis, training, employee training program, reward, incentive, and etc. This is to make sure discipline and personal protective equipment to become our priority.
Hi, Assalamualaikum madam. My name is Nozanira. I am going to present about my part, that is Industrial Relation Act 1967. The IRA prologue makes clear that the main purpose is an act to promote and maintain industrial harmony and to provide for the regulation of relation between employees and workmen and their trade unions and the prevention and settlement of any differences or dispute arising from the relationship and to deal with the trade disputes and makes the form as the salute is known. The purpose of IRA is to maintain a good relationship and a fair dealing between employees, workers and their trade unions. It provides for mechanism related to the recognition of a trade union. Second is to provide for specific remedies that are not available in common law or the Employment Act 1955. A distinct example of such specific remedy is the remedy of a job reinstatement, which makes up most of the claims in industrial court. For example, under Section 20 of the IRA, an employer cannot dismiss an employee without just cause or excuse, be directly or indirectly. The third one is to provide for the employees in the private sector. It is important to note that Section 52 of the IRA specific that the rules in the IRA cannot be applied to any workman hired by government or any statutory authority or to any service of any government department or agency. Key changes to IRA in 2019. First one is for unfair dismissal claims, the employee and employee cannot appoint representative. A worker with a mental disability may now get a High Court ruling assigning a guardian and pictures to represent them. Conciliation meeting in accordance with the changes. Second one is DGIR will now handle the referral or unfair dismissal claims to the court. HR department will no longer be responsible to send unfair dismissal allegation to industrial court. The last one is additional power are given to the industrial court. The worker who submitted the submission under paragraph 20 has passed away. The industrial court can still proceed with the case. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Shahir bin Muhammad Samsahri. So, according to the research that has been stated above, in summary, every company or organization must follow the legal acts or employment law in their organization, and it must be taken seriously, especially by the Human Resource Department team. As a Human Resource Department team, we have created an appropriate and suitable rules for all workers in the organization. Firstly, we have applied rules that related to Employment Act 1955. This rule is the basic employment legislation in Malaysia. The Employment Act 1955 was created to preventing companies from mistreating employees. This rule is important to apply in organizations to protect the welfare of employees. So next, we have applied Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994. We have been implementing a safety strategy at the organization that conforms with Occupational Safety and Health Act criteria from 1994. The Occupational Safety and Health Act of 1994 provides the necessary requirements to ensure the safety and health of workers, and then safety programs that comply with legislation related to the formulation of safety policies, the establishment of safety committees, and the training and supervision of workers related to Occupational Safety and Health Act have been applied by our team in the Human Resource Department. Last but not least, we also apply Industrial Relations Act 1967 in our company. The main purpose of Industrial Relations Act is to promote industrial harmony and also to promote a positive working relationship and fair dealings between employers, employees, and their trade union. Therefore, the Human Resource Department team at Tilia Clothing Company will ensure that the welfare of our employees will always be well and steadily taken care of. Thank you. That's all from me.